Italy, a land of history, romance, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we explore the most beautiful destinations in Italy you can't afford to miss. The Colosseum in Rome. The Colosseum is not just a structure, but a piece of history. Its ancient amphitheater, once the center of Roman gladiatorial combat, now stands as a testament to Rome's power and glory. Whether you're marveling at its size or exploring the ancient ruins, it's a must-see for anyone visiting the Eternal City. Venice canals. Next, let's head to Venice, one of the most romantic cities in the world. Famous for its canals, gondola rides, and Venetian architecture, Venice feels like a dream. City's waterways offer a peaceful escape, and there's no better way to explore it than by gliding along the Grand Canal. The Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast, with its dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and picturesque towns like Positano, is a true Mediterranean paradise. Perfect for a summer getaway, the Amalfi Coast offers breathtaking views, delicious food, and unforgettable sunsets. It's an ideal spot to unwind and experience the magic of coastal Italy. Tuscany's rolling hills. Tuscany's rolling hills and vineyards are the epitome of Italian countryside beauty. Known for its charming villages, historical landmarks, and world-class wine, Tuscany offers the perfect escape for those looking to enjoy nature, art, and fine food. You can't leave Italy without experiencing the charm of Tuscany. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Last but certainly not least, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Known for its unintended tilt, this iconic structure draws millions of visitors each year. While it's one of Italy's most photographed spots, the entire Piazza dei Miracoli complex is worth exploring. From the Colosseum to the Leaning Tower, Italy is filled with iconic landmarks and unforgettable beauty. Which destination in Italy would you like to visit the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.